Hello everybody, it's Taco and I'm playing The Last Door. I'm sorry for not posting. I've been going through a lot of stuff and finals are coming up, so yay! Okay, let's do this. I don't even know what kind of game this is. Headphones in dark environment are recommended. Well, I don't feel like turning off my light, and when I do, I can't see my keyboard. Press 1 to enable and disable dyslexia friendly font. Oh, okay. Press 2 to enable descriptions of sounds. 3, full screen mode. That might have worked a while ago. Okay. After all the things I've seen. It's like one of those point and click bar games. Did I just grab a noose? After all the things I've done, oh my god, no. My life on a course that I can't escape from. Can I just walk out of here, jump out the window, other than this? It's too late for me now. No, it's not! It's not too late! Please. I just hope you could forgive me someday. I've learned. Yours sincerely, Anthony Betchworth. Oh my god. This is horrible. Oh my god. This is so fucking sad. Wait, was that the end of it? Please tell me that's not the end of it. Someone tell me that was the end of it. Oh, come on. That couldn't have been the end. Oh! I was like, is that the end? No. Apparently not. Videte nequis secant. That's the only thing my dear old friend Anthony Betchworth wrote in his letter. It had been years since I last heard that sentence. It used to be a motto of the science and philosophy group that we secretly ran back when we were in that secluded boarding school in Scotland. We left it all behind like simple childhood memories. It was unusual, but it was unusual. That letter could only mean something awful must have happened, something that must remain absolutely secret. I had to find out what was going on. Without delay, I took the first morning train to Sussex to the address on the letter. And there it was, the old home of the Anthony family, the Betchworth mansion. You should mansion. Just realized that. And he used to spell it with a CH. Okay. Oh, what the? Murderer of crows is eagerly eating something. Where'd my mouse go? Okay. It's just rubbish. It's locked from the inside. Okay. Whoa! That unlocked. Swear to everything is silent and there's no one living here. Okay. Worried about Anthony, I have to find him. I know exactly where to go! My coat. Oh, how about we go upstairs? No! God! I just got a chill down my spine from that. Oh my god, no! Okay, cool, let's go. I'm done up here. No. Okay, let's go this way. Come on, let's go this way. Cool. That house looks like it has been cleaned in a long time. Please be openable. Thank God. Check that door. Plates, pans, dish stove and cleaning cloth, variety of cooking ingredients. What is that door? I unlocked the door. With what? Oh. Okay, so let's go back. I think I'm gonna need that, crooked painting. Why is it crooked? I don't, like, there's nothing of interest in these drawers. March 5th, March 5th, 1891. Master made us get rid of our religious objects. What is going on with him? Luckily, I found a place to hide my rosary. I can't pray every night without it. May 18th, 1891. Master has been complaining about Alfie. What would a simple cat do to him? He ordered us to keep him out of the house at all times. Still, I can't let that poor thing starve. He's such a clever cat. Every time I open the window, he knows food is waiting for him. Anyway, I'm worried about the master. He's growing more and more unlike himself every day. September 15th, 1891. Mr. Betchworth is spending whole days locked in his office. Inside his office, he wants us to leave him food at the door. He barely eats anything. I'm just really worried. Okay, it's sad. Look at the window. Okay. Oh, there's a door down there. It's padlocked. Yay. Landscape painting. Landscape painting. If my voice sounds weird, I'm sorry. I've been sick, so. Go back this way. Da, da, da. Oh. Large window is wide open, letting the cold dusk air in. Drinks, cabinet, glasses, and crystal bottles, and a matchbox. Take the matchbox. Only these matches could be useful. Oh, they could! It's too dark, you can't go any further. Oh, thank fucking God! Don't like this place. Ugh. But chill down my fucking spine. Could I? Nah. What the hell are the crows eating? Oh! Could I? Okay. Fine. Wipe it with the. Okay, that works. Gramophone is good in condition despite the rust. Okay. What do you mean? No, don't look. Where the? Wait. Just walk there. I don't know what to do. Why do I keep doing that? You too. And I light the rubbish on fire. Okay. No, so. Wait, no, hold on. Don't go anywhere. Shut up. Ah, forget it. What am I supposed to do? Okay. Do I go in the kitchen and do I light this? Yeah, let's just go back out there. take it! No. No. I don't like this. It's like... No. Go in, jeez. 5 position has been used for a long time. Oh, look at that. And you can look at the bee. The bed's covered in dust. Family portraits. To a balcony that communicates with the adjacent room. Locked with the key. What the hell am I supposed to do? No way, I guess it's 1,000 row. There must be another way to get in. Yeah! Go! Faster! You're so slow! How about a match? Fuck you. You suck. I don't know how long I've been recording. Well, if you like this game, if you want me to continue it, if you like this game and want me to continue it, like and comment, subscribe if you want more. Yay! Guess we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.